I know I did a similar video recently, but anyway, I need to make a trivet for someone as a gift, and so I'll do this in a different way. I've marked this piece out into roughly equal thirds. I need to give my even smaller block style anvil here a little bit of use. I need to give a shout out to two guys for their recent generous donations. They are Michael Gedeon and Stephen Watkins. I appreciate the love, and the extra cabbage really helps the channel. Thanks a lot, fellas. So a piece like this, even though it's not very big, can be a bit of a hassle with such a small gas forge. You kind of got to finagle it this way and that way to fit in, and you'll get it maybe just hot enough to move it to where it'll fit in even deeper, and then you can go at it. I've got to heat these two ends back a little bit more to get them to stay together. Otherwise, they just keep springing apart. So why the title, The Trouble with Trivets? Well, guys like me keep making these things for videos, and so they keep multiplying fast. Okay, I know that's stupid, but how many titles can I write? Blacksmith Trivet, Forged Trivet, Hot Iron Trivet. It's really redundant. So to me, it's really taken on a pleasing shape. Now I just got to figure out how I want to bend the legs. I think that pritchel hole right there will work perfectly. I like this piece. It's worthy of having the GS Tongs mark. The only other treatment I do is to scuff it a little bit with a fine piece of sandpaper to create some highlights. So there it is, another troublesome trivet. I really like one-piece projects like this that have some character. That no doubt that it was hand-forged kind of look. And you know, we got a lot more fooling around to do.